So compared to the other events that are held in the UK, this is really, really special. The venue's always fantastic, it's always extremely well organised, and most importantly, it's very, very well attended. So, we're always a big fan of the LADAs because of that.
Dan put my name down, and it was a complete shock when he announced that I'd been shortlisted, so absolutely over the moon. I can't wait for this evening. I think it's the most prestigious, most well-renowned awards evening in the whole industry, and I think it does wonders for the industry as a whole, especially after the year we've all had.
It's an absolute pleasure to be shortlisted to be a finalist at the LADAs. We've enjoyed countless events going back over the years, and it's just special to bring the whole industry together for one night's celebration of what we all strive to achieve.
Recognised amongst our peers and amongst the industry as a whole would mean a tremendous amount. This is one of the biggest events that we attend as a company. So this is why we're here supporting it, and hopefully we'll come away with one of the prizes.
I've been coming to the LADAs, I think it's my third year now, and certainly in our role it's a fantastic event. They get lots and lots of people, and we certainly see it as a fantastic networking opportunity for us.
The fact that you're a finalist, it means that you're a winner. The fact that you are at the top of your game, it doesn't matter whether you win or whether you're second or third or whatever, you're a finalist. And as far as I'm concerned, that's a winner.
What you have to understand is this is the highlight of the year really for the laundry industry. We've had 2 years where we haven't been with our friends, and to be here tonight is just absolutely wonderful. Get the atmosphere, back seeing people within the industry. Who could ask for anything better?
It's the place to be. It's the one we all look forward to. We all make the effort to be here, and it's the best night of the year.
The finalists represent the creme de la creme in our industry. And for all the finalists to be nominated as finalists, they are doing an amazing job. It is an important achievement. So as one of the sponsors over here, we're so happy to be here to congratulate the finalists as well as the winners. So thank you so much, guys, for hosting this, and it's been an absolute pleasure being with you throughout this journey.
The Lifetime Contribution Award is perhaps one of the most coveted of all the awards, as it's in recognition of the contribution made by an individual throughout his or her working career. I'm going to hand over to the headline sponsor from Linen Connect, Managing Director Vikas Shah, MBE, to announce the winner of this year's award.
This is always such a fun award because it just recognises an incredible contribution to the industry and the industry's life. And so, without further ado, the winner is Colin Hill.
I'd just like to thank Tina and Mark for all the hard work that's put into this event. It doesn't happen on its own. I'd like to congratulate all the winners tonight. And I'm sure we've all had a great evening. I'm sure it's going to continue for a little while. And all I can say is thank you very much and wish you a safe journey home. Thank you.